What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a feature request form into your WordPress website. So imagine the following scenario. You do have a mobile app development company, a SaaS company, a plugins company, and you would like to offer to your customers, to your potential customers, a form where you may learn what your customers or potential customers are looking for, features that they are looking for. How to add a form just like this one right here into your WordPress website for free. This is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over plugins. And hit the submenu Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to Search Plugins, there is an empty field. Click and type WP Forms. WP Forms, easy form builder for WordPress, contact forms, payment forms, surveys, and more. Click on Install now. And click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page. Scroll down and hit into this orange button. Create your first form. Now you're gonna be able to select a couple of templates to make the form creation process easier, and all you have to do is click into this search templates part and type feature. Just like this. And here is the guy that we're looking for. Feature request form. Click on use template. The plugin gonna create the template for you, and you always gonna be able to customize the template in the way that you want by changing the position of the elements, the text present on the elements. For example, right here we have product A, B, and C. We can type one more, just like this. And of course, apply a description in the case that you want to better explain what your product is. After doing all the changes you need, please hit the Save Change button into the upper right corner of your screen, this orange button. And when you have the form looking like where you would like, let's apply this to some page. You can click into the Embed. You can select an existing page to receive this form or create a new page. I'm gonna create a new page. Request a feature. Click on Let's Go, orange button, and the plugin gonna be creating the page for you and also adding the form on it for you. Just like this. Now here is your page. All you have to do is publish the page, and of course you can customize the page using your page builder, using your elements, using your Gutenberg blocks, up to you, okay? All simple. After this, you're gonna be able to receive requests for feature to add on your product, services, tools, SaaS, other things, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you tomorrow. All the best!